Alright, this is a drive to the Best Buy. I'm thinking about getting a drone. Blowing half my savings on a drone. It could be kind of scary because I could be very vulnerable to emergencies that require that money. It's very scary. There's a food bank not far from the Walmart. That might help a little bit. Stop tomorrow. It's open at, I don't know, 9 or 8, something like that. Oh. So I kind of want to park overnight at the Walmart, which they don't allow. But that's okay because I got a fallback. I can fall back on this side of the road, parking next to the Pace. I have a good idea how to get to this. It's not far anyway, but to get to the Best Buy, take it kind of more the back way, I guess. Since I walked that distance. Yeah, on the right here, it's pretty decent for overnight parking. I like that. Not sure what the speed limit is. I'm a little nervous about this though. It's like, I really don't need a drone, but it definitely could enhance it could enhance some experiences. If it's light enough, is it light enough to carry around? Like when I like to go for bicycle rides a bit into the forest. Like I want to go back into the mountains. I want to go west into the mountains. And I think it'd be kind of neat to be able to take a drone into those. Go on some walks into the mountains with the drone. I mean, it may be a really good idea to get a second battery because I'm not. Oh, is this it? No, that's okay. Best Buy on the right. They close in about 45 minutes. Natural grocers. That's also I wanted to check out. Maybe get some more chicory. I feel a little embarrassed about trying to do this. They may not even have the drone. I didn't even ask because I wasn't even considering. I was considering the Mavic Air, but now I'm like, well, maybe I should go with the big one. Oh, they got warnings. I didn't see that. I was thinking about parking overnight here, but Walmart, I could fall back on Walmart, and then if Walmart don't work out, I can fall back on the side of the street. There's... Yeah, my engine is going though. That's what really I gotta hold that money out for.